Presenting a pre-owned 2016 Kia Soul. This four-door wagon has a four-cylinder, 1.6-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and a 6-speed manual transmission. This Kia is a great value with less than 13,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 24 miles per gallon in the city, and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include Bluetooth, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, power steering, power windows, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.